बताइए कि प्रथम एक्चुअली था क्या?
So Pratham was a student satellite. It was a 10 kg satellite which was being built by students, and the purpose of that satellite was to being able to measure electrons in space. And if we could really measure those electron count in space, the one of the application of it was you can predict disasters like tsunami.
Okay,
Yeah.
beforehand.
And give advanced warning systems and all these things. So it's sort of a very conceptual thing which was there on books on the physics side of it, on the science part of it, but doing it actually was something which in IIT nobody had done.
And I think it also got the eye of ISRO back then, right?
Yes. And we were supported by ISRO throughout each and every, we got an opportunity to present our work to ISRO scientists. We got an opportunity to get grilled by them like anything. We got a flavor of ISRO's culture first time being a students. Their policy for, zero tolerance towards errors, zero tolerance towards mistakes. Those kind of things started getting ingrained during that journey of Pratham.
That discipline.
Right. So मतलब हम जाते थे, it was 18 hours bus journey from Mumbai to Bangalore. And Bangalore में ISRO center was there. At that time it was called as ISAC.
It was called as
ISAC.
Okay.
I think it was full form was Satellite Activity Center, something like
Indian
that.
Satellite.
Indian
Activities
Satellite.
Center, Okay.
And then there 4 hours meeting they used to just make us naked. कि भाई बिल्कुल मतलब they used to from small things how different subsystems work together, what all things can go wrong. Their understanding about each and everything was so thorough, so precise that we were awed. हम जाते ही सोचते कि हाँ ठीक है आज तो लेनी है, वो लेंगे हम देंगे.
So मतलब डर लगता था उन्हें काम करते हुए देख के, मतलब what was their temperament like when they were working on their projects? Because obviously आप लोग observe कर रहे थे.
So especially in that center people were super focused. मतलब during that 8 hours when they were on site doing things, they were super focused on what they're doing. And each and every मतलब even a technician who is doing a soldering job on a circuit board, he was so precise, so immaculate. Not like current offices what we have where people have 10 mobile phone ringings. Some people are distracted in the work, sometimes doing their work, sometimes distracted, sometimes chit chatting. Nothing of that sort. So much focus, and each person knowing in depth about his or her field that nobody can challenge. So these are some of the things which impressed upon us very deeply in a very early stage of life. So that was a very great experience. I think that experience we cannot even trade for millions of dollars, because with that kind of work ethics, that kind of temperament, that kind of in-depth knowledge was, it inspired us कि भाई करना है तो कुछ ऐसा करना है. And especially during the last year when we got an opportunity to put the satellite on the top of a launch vehicle, first time we saw such a big rocket. मतलब जो टीवी पे देखते थे उसको पहली बार एज अ स्टूडेंट इन फाइनल ईयर खुद अपना बनाया हुआ सैटेलाइट वी गॉट एन अपॉर्चुनिटी टू put over a launch vehicle. And then they showed us the whole launch vehicle, how it flies, how big are the engines. And that time we felt so small. Even after doing so much hard work in IIT, so much studying, it felt like हमें तो कुछ नहीं आता है. So
But Ashish, isn't it fascinating कि इतना बड़ा लॉन्च व्हीकल जो आपके सामने में एक विशाल काय फिगर की तरह खड़ा हुआ है, but it was made by someone's idea, a team, brick by brick, by humans, जो हम जैसे हैं, आम इंसान है,
right.
and they've created something giant of a human. How's that feeling like? What was that experience like?
That feeling you start getting the moment you start entering that island. That Sriharikota is a place which is very it's a isolated island, and you go there from a small city called as Sulurpet, and you will see some technology, and as soon as you are going you are seeing it is all wildlife. बगल में गैया जा रही है, भैंस जा रहे हैं, एग्रीकल्चर लैंड्स है, फिर कुछ टाइम बाद पूरा पानी है. एंड उस you will see most primitive way of living till rockets in that
The most advanced.
in that 5 hour in that 5 kilometer stretch. And that was something very amazing कि पहली बार कैसे देखा होगा किसी ने कि अच्छा यहाँ पे हम लॉन्च व्हीकल बनाएंगे, यहाँ से लॉन्च होगा.
So this is the Satish Dhawan Space
Satish
Center.
Dhawan Space Center.
Yeah,
Right.
yeah, which is in Sriharikota, Andhra Pradesh.
Andhra Pradesh, right. So that was amazing. Yeah. So yeah, and that's a very big facility. We have one place there where they integrate spacecrafts, they do all the checks, then they move it to, then there's a launch vehicle area where launch pads are there, where all the stages are getting assembled. So all these things we got to personally see. So huge मतलब उसके बाद तो ये था कि नहीं करना है तो यही करना है लाइफ में, और कुछ नहीं कर पाएंगे अब.
कभी इन साइंटिस्ट से आपकी ऑफ द रिकॉर्ड कोई बात होती थी where you saw them in a very chill manner or like somewhere where you realize oh yeah, these are also just humans like us and not super focused, you know, entities.
So one very good thing was there that in ISRO during the lunch breaks they all used to have lunch together. ऐसा कुछ अलग ये नहीं था कि नहीं साइंटिस्ट इधर खाएंगे, टेक्नीशियन इधर खाएंगे, बच्चे इनको कहीं और भेज दो. Everyone used to eat together. They used to also हीट, मतलब हम तो चम्मच चम्मच पकड़ते थे, वो तो हाथ से खाते थे, प्रॉपर साउथ इंडियन वे.
Yes, with dahi curd.
दही कर्ड है ना.
Yes.
So that meant कि they are all new, natural, very coming from very humble backgrounds, farmers
Yes.
sons, so those kind of people coming, and but if you talk to them you cannot shake even a pillar, because that was the kind of strength they had in their concepts.
They know their craft.
Yes.
I mean वही विजुअल मेरे सामने आ जाता है कि इसरो के एकदम बहुत पुराने सब साइंटिस्ट जब सैटेलाइट के पार्ट्स बुलक कार्ट्स में लेके गए थे,
Right.
साइकिल पे लेके गए थे,
Right.
and that just speaks of the भारतीयता, I would say.
Yes, exactly.
Lovely.
Grounded.
Grounded.